Hi friends! Today video about new Oukitel WP21.
Like I've seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating.
High-speed 6nm CPUs and a 120Hz screen refresh rate are features of the Oukitel WP21. The MT6789's core is 38% more energy efficient and 97% more powerful in terms of computation than rugged phones with 12nm processors. The superb photo capabilities of the WP21 will also amaze those who enjoy photography a lot. 99% of the details are captured by the Sony 64mm main camera, the Sony Night Vision professional camera, and the Galaxy macro camera, which records every moment in astonishing resolution. The split screen, which ushers in a new age, is an exceptional innovation. Users can quickly operate Bluetooth, the camera, music, calls, and other features on this display without ever turning the phone over. Another noteworthy feature is the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. Oukitel WP21 is resistant to rain, sun exposure, and even slipping into a puddle. The top cell phones available today are also resistant to shock and water. The phone is IP68 certified, which combines three crucial qualities. It is sturdy even when in contact with liquids and dust. It is resistant to an extreme temperature range, whether it is hot or cold, and it is waterproof when submerged in water. The WP21 features a huge 9,800 mAh battery, as can be seen from the specifications above. That is genuinely great. Power in the context of a mobile phone refers to battery life, and as mobile technology advances, battery life has become a critical characteristic that consumers of smartphones look for when making a purchase choice. Additionally, the Oukitel WP21 has 12GB of RAM. In the present market, smartphones don't often have it. What advantages would a mobile phone with a lot of RAM provide? It goes without saying that the more RAM your phone has, the faster it will switch between programs. Your phone might not have enough memory to work smoothly if you wish to use memory-intensive applications like video editors or sophisticated mobile games. The WP21 rugged smartphone ships pre-installed with Android 12. With a completely reimagined user interface created just for you, Android 12 is the most personal operating system ever. It also features a more spacious redesign, color contrast optimizations, and new features that assist those with low vision. Android 12 offers more personalized, secure, and effortless experiences on your device. Big displays are becoming more and more popular, despite the fact that today's technical conversation is often focused on tiny screens, such as those on watches, tablets, and smartphones. They enable you to show a considerable quantity of stuff simultaneously, including text, graphics, movies, and photographs. The big 6.78-inch display of the Oukitel WP21 gives you a greater viewing experience. Oukitel's flagship smartphones use the 120Hz refresh rate for the first time. Up to 120 frames can be shown per second at a refresh rate of 120Hz. Only 60 refreshes per second are possible on a 60Hz display. A higher refresh rate enables a phone's display to keep up with gaming activity and lessens motion blur in videos. The Oukitel WP21 is presently available for purchase on oukitelmobile.com. For further details, see the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away like a card never change, play the game that we say.